Alright, let's unbox the NTK wideband sensor. It's this guy here, bought off Amazon. That includes all the stuff. It's pretty nicely packaged. I will give NTK that they probably have some of the nicer visual looking packages. So yeah, you get your instructions, pretty straightforward. You get your fancy NTK sensor, which is going to be a genuine high quality wideband sensor, as it is. You get your actual gauge, which just reads the digital readout. In the car it's going, it makes sense, it'll look nice and be hidden away. Yeah, you get your plug and your Bluetooth sensor cap. Most of this stuff comes standard in most wideband sensors you're buying, so it's nothing too special, but it just being NTK, it's going to be a nice high quality sensor. And then yeah, you get your other shit here. So you get your wiring harness, you get your power ground, they give you a fuse on it because they don't trust you. And then yeah, you get your outputs for ECU or data logging, I guess. This is going to go ECU. So yeah, everything is really straightforward. It's just click into sensor, plug into this, you give this switch 12 volts. Actually no, one of these I think is, oh no, it's not going to be for dimming. I mean, when in doubt, I mean, just look in the manual. But yeah, on some of the other gauges they come with a dim switch. So yeah, it's just going to be either switch 12 volts, and yeah, it's a 0 or half a volt to 4.5 volt signal green, and then yeah, the signal grand. So yeah, that's that. Neato. Should be easy enough to install into the data. So, and I like this sleeve. It's nice and small, and it'll fit through most stuff. So yeah, like all wideband sensors, the gauge feels amazingly cheap, but this goes in nicely and it comes out nicely. So yeah, we will carry on with the install, and then I'll tell you how it is long term, I guess. But yeah, smell you later.